What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jesse here for the Pocket Traveler. That is me. I'm going to bring you my world, my discoveries, my travels right through my pocket. Because you know what they say, the best camera you have is the one in your pocket. Today, I thought I'd do something a little different. Take y'all on a nice, super relaxing walk around my current hometown, which is Sevierville, Tennessee. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today. I can't believe this weather. It's unbelievable. Thought I'd take you for a nice stroll around town. This is going to be like a new concept for me for the channel. So bear with me. It's going to be a lot of talking, a lot of showing you guys just little ins and outs of special places, different places, cool travels. Should be fun. It's going to be, I want to change this to my new concept for the channel. I'm still going to do car vlogs, because that's really what started me, and but it's going to be more on a visiting an event type thing. It's not going to be so much, and I'll have like more vlog type stuff with it, just because I want to interact with you guys a little bit more. I've been quiet behind the camera. I'm really actually pretty shy person anyway, but yeah, I want to get to know my subscribers and bring you guys better content, stuff you're going to be interested in and tune into. So actually, I think we're going to start here shortly, and I'm going to take you guys around Sevierville, downtown Sevierville, which is coming along quite nicely. The whole downtown is being renovated, and I would say they're probably 85% finished. There's a lot to be done. There's lots of up and coming stuff. It's very exciting because we've anywhere from the new streets and the signage and the updates to old buildings. It's pretty cool. So I'm more of a retro guy myself, but you know, progress is never a bad thing. It's my opinion, I guess. So without further ado, I'm going to take you guys for a nice little stroll around downtown Sevierville. Show you the ins and outs. There's a nice, awesome tree right here. Going to show you the ins and outs of downtown Sevierville. So stay with me. I think you guys will enjoy this one. Just a relaxing little stroll. And we'll see what's new in Sevierville. So what better place to start. Then right here at our beautiful courthouse, we have right here in the middle of the square, Downtown Sevierville. Got some church bells ringing in the background. Pretty nice. They're in the holiday mode around here. Oh, here it goes. That was the half-hour chime. From the courthouse. You got the family, Scarecrow family. Been pumpkin picking. This courthouse, just a little FYI, was built in 1796. Walk over here. Little plaque dedicated to Lieutenant Spencer Clack, pioneer settler of Sevier County, named Sevier County for his friend, the great John Sevier. Looks like we got everybody chilling out in the trees. Don't mind us, we're just passing through. Try to spin around here. And this is usual every day. And we'll stop by the Dolly statue. We can't go downtown without stopping there. But this is the usual going on. People stopping, getting pictures of Dolly. I've got many good pictures right there, even some nighttime photos. We'll let them do their thing while I'll walk over here to the Veterans Memorial. Very nice tribute to the armed forces. Love this memorial. Honoring all the branches. Army, Navy, Air Force. Coast Guard. Of course, the Marine Corps. Hoorah. Thought I'd pull back a little bit and let you guys get a nicer glimpse. And of course, I'm going to get you some drone shots. This is a nice standing shot of the courthouse. You can still see the people getting shots under the beautiful tree over there. Such a gorgeous day. You hear the train horns over there. It's part of the Trump train. They've been hanging out in the parking lot across the street over there, and they honk for all the Trump supporters. There's some remnants where they're still working on the corner stops of Bruce Street and Court Avenue. Court Avenue being one of the main thoroughfares through the town. A lot of lawyer buildings to the right of us. Very nice. Everybody keeps their facades really nice and well done down here. Surprising. Well, I'm gonna wait my turn. Maybe we'll do dolly in the middle of the vlog here. So I'll take a walk over here. It's just walking over here to the sheriff's office and seeing this dedication to the Fraternal Order of Police. My sister is a police officer. Been on the force probably 28 years now. Pretty proud of her. So I thought I'd just give y'all a look at that. Pretty cool. Here's a shot of our Sevier County Sheriff's Office. It's been spiffed up here in the past year or so. Pretty nice. It was never a bad looking building, but it's nice to see. I love the old font on the front sign. Pretty cool. I don't know what you'd call that font, but looks old-timey, old Western. Pretty neat. So we're making our way down Bruce Street. Some of the, you can see the town's already started decorating. A little bit of fall with the scarecrows, and gotta love the Christmas stuff. Maybe. All right. Take you over to a sadly closed restaurant. Well, not restaurant, I'd say cafe. They had the most awesome donuts ever. This Courthouse Donuts. Sadly, it's closed. Had many a good donuts here. The taste is arresting. You be the judge. Pretty fitting next to a courthouse. Gonna miss them donuts. All right. Just spoke to that gentleman right there. He was walking down the street, and he said the projected finishing to all of this was next week. Next week for Thanksgiving. But as you can tell, they've got a little more work to be done. But on the flip side, he said it should be ready for our hometown Christmas parade, which is awesome in more ways than one, because I've been part of that parade. Me and a group from Off the Chain, which is right down the end of Bruce Street there. Super cool owner, Mr. Mark Ailey, owns Off the Chain bikes. He rides in the sorry about the guy there. Where was I? Oh, the Christmas parade. So we there we go. We usually me and Connor usually participate in the Christmas parade and ride our bikes. Travels through the whole town here. Just super cool, throwing out candy and whatnot. So yeah, if all this is done by then, that would be great. Really great. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, we're on the corner of Bruce and Court. And I'm gonna take you down Bruce Street now. Okay? Let's follow with me here. Excuse me while I step over some of this stuff. Okay. Pretty cool, because with no traffic here, you could pretty much walk down the center of the road. Just stepped in a spot where they're going to put pavers all right here. They've done a really beautiful job paving the sidewalks, and sorry, there's other people walking around. Lots of pavers and new outings from the sidewalks. Really nice. Very well done. Now, I'll show you some of the, turn the camera around and show you some of the, it's right across the way right there. Right across the street. Somebody's asking for the Dollywood statue. It's one of the old Ogle buildings. Staying true to its, I'm pretty sure that is true to the original facade. And then we got the Operation Barber Company. Pretty good barber shop. They trim beards and whatnot. Good barbers in there. I've been there twice, I think. Yeah. And nice guys in there. Reasonably priced. Then we got the Bistro 109, which is, I've never been in here, but I've heard a lot of good things. And seems like they are making renovations and will return in December. Quilt shop downtown. Pretty big. Called the Cherry Pit. Old-fashioned quilts and whatnot. All right. Continuing on down the way here. Got Gray's Burgers. This is a fairly new operation. Got a cool outside patio. I may stop here for a bite to eat here shortly. Outside patio, great burgers. I've eaten here once, and I'm so glad they are weathering the storm of this COVID junk, because that's a good restaurant. They breathed a little life into this downtown area, and they're holding strong. We got I'm hoping this is what is set to come. A lot of new stuff coming down to downtown Sevierville. Got some patios, rooftop patios. This would be great. So excited about all this new stuff. Got a ladies' salon here. And now I've heard rumor that this is going to be actually one large spot, dining spot, which I'm crossing my fingers. I hope it's going to happen. You got a nice patio area that'll be out here. Lots of killer stuff. I cannot wait for this to be hustling and bustling again. So ready to get back out and be a little more social. It's actually kind of nice not having to have my mask on right at this very moment, just because I'm by myself, strolling. I wanted to take another look back, because look at this awesome mural on the side of the building here. So super cool. Now I'm pretty sure this was Red's Cafe long time ago. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that is. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about Red's Cafe in Sevierville. Across the street is our little town gazebo here. Love the new signage. All the landscaping, all the pots and good looking flowers around. Just makes you feel good. More decorations on the light posts. Going under the gazebo. Cool little spot. And I just spotted something pretty awesome. I had no clue this was here. But how cool is this? Oh wow, somebody's actually stopped for a picture. I didn't notice them stopping. Pretty awesome. I'll let them do their thing. Maybe we'll come back to it. Let's travel onward. All right. Making our way down Bruce Street. Coming up on Mr. Sims Barbershop. He's been here quite a while, folks. I come here sporadically for a haircut. He's an old timer that's been here a while. I bet you we'll get a wave out of him. Mr. Sims. And I bet you that's his pretty old GMC truck right there. He's a classy fella, been here a while. Here's another icon of Sevierville. The old Cash Hardware. I've been a contractor a time or two around town, worked with an electrician locally, and boy have we made many a trips here. I actually was a painter with another contractor and also made quite a few trips here. Cash Hardware. Lots of good folks, old timers, been here a while. Right across the street here. Not going to go all the way across Bruce Street, but you can see right there is Off the Chain Bikes. This thoroughfare right here leads right on in to Pigeon Forge. Sorry about the highlights, guys. I haven't got the ND filters yet for my Osmo Pocket. I'm working on that, I promise. Everything won't be so blown out. Sometimes it struggles to with some of the Christmas decorations right here. I think we're coming up on the Heritage Museum. And sadly, I already stopped here before I started the vlog. It's closed until further notice is what that sign says, which really stinks because I wanted to show you guys a little more of the heritage of Sevierville. Now, I'm going to show you one of the cool things that they're doing as an homage to the history of this awesome town. Is they've actually put markers when they started this construction through here. The town dug up railroad track dated, 1910, around that area. The railroad was brought through here. I'm pretty sure from what I've researched, they said the train depot was 3 miles down the road here from the courthouse. Either a mile or 3 miles down the road from the courthouse. And cool little fact, as this was all getting done, this was tore up all to heck through here. When this was getting done, I come down here and seen that they were tearing the railroad track up, and there was a small piece that a really cool contractor gave to me. So I have a piece of Sevierville history in my house. Super cool. I love it. I have it in my living room on display for everybody to see. Pretty cool. And they actually took, see, they're still finishing up here. Now I'm heading back down Bruce Street, but gonna make my way. How about we make our way back over to that butterfly? Just a few little snippets of facts, just a couple, about the railroad before we head on over to the mural on the wall there. The railroad engine was nicknamed Old Slow and Easy, and it ran from Knoxville to almost Gatlinburg. It's pretty awesome. It served Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and ran just into Gatlinburg, the outskirts of Gatlinburg. And one of the train cars, number 107, is parked at the Dollywood entrance in Pigeon Forge. Just thought I'd share a few snippets with you. I love that they gave a little nod to Old Slow and Easy right there. Pretty cool. Couldn't resist. Pretty cool little mural there. Apparently she does more. I'll show you. Done by Pinky. And this one's, I guess, called Wings of Wonder. Awesome. You're downtown, stop by. Pretty cool mural. All right, hope you guys are enjoying this little stroll around downtown Sevierville. This Sorry about the light there. The highlights are blown out a little bit there. Try to hold it there. Yeah. Sounds like there's some work going on up top there. Someone banging. Currently walking behind all the other buildings off of Court Street. And we're going to take you around front. I've been wanting to see this hotel. Pretty nice hotel. Newly renovated, bringing some nice business to downtown Sevierville. I'm going to check and see if the Honeybee Coffee Company is open. I did not know there was a coffee shop here. We'll see. As you can see, I'm going to take a look at this sign here. Oh, okay. Yeah. Honeybee Coffee Company. And I'll spin you around and show you the historic Central Hotel, established in 1890. This building's been here forever. Took them a long time to renovate this, but it sure looks good now that it's done. Pretty cool. Glad to see there's people coming into town and staying here, keeping it open. Of course, then you got one of our big banks right here on the corner, Sevier County Bank. And let's go in and see what's going on at the Honeybee. Maybe get a cup of coffee or tea. Is the Honeybee open?
Yeah, it is.
Is that the entrance? Okay, thank you. All right. It's over to the right here. Let's go put up our mask. Go into the Honeybee. Hello. Pretty good. I had no idea you guys were here. Awesome. All right, guys. Just letting my tea steep for a minute. Got a little bit of oolong. It's one of my favorites, so happy about that. Ooh, getting a little warm. All right, guys. Well, that was a good little stop. Next time you're in downtown Sevierville, make sure you stop by Honeybee Coffee Company. Awesome little spot. So awesome. Got me a little cup of tea to go. Some oolong honey cup of tea. It's very good. Super nice people in there. Had a good conversation with the gentleman that was working there. So we're back on our track. Back behind me in that building right there, my coffee cups in front of, that's a Carl Ownby company. Another one, as I was a contractor, we used to go there all the time for supplies. And it's been a staple here in Sevierville for almost 100 years, I'm thinking. They've been here a while. Long time. So why don't we make our way to the courthouse and let's go see if Dolly's by herself. Got a little busy there right when I started the vlog. No, there's actually, see, there's actually people here getting pictures. Everybody loves Dolly. And why would you not? Pretty awesome. So this is Commerce Street that I'm standing in the middle of. And you got all these office buildings behind me, mostly lawyers and stuff like that, across the street from the courthouse. Let's see. As soon as these ladies are done, we'll get some shots of Dolly. Okay? Stay with me. Well, go ahead and get a quick little shot of Dolly. It's been popular today. Gotta love Dolly Parton. Pretty cool statue. I believe this was dedicated in 1987. She got her little butterfly on her guitar there. It's her trademark, isn't it? All right. So off Commerce Street, I think we'll take a walk down Commerce. And show you our downtown sign. Then we'll go on from there. Alright guys, we're making our way right across, right in front of the, or I guess you would consider this the backside of the courthouse. They got it all nice and trimmed up, decorated. A little bit of decorations over there to the backside there. Check this out. Trump train coming through. I think they've become like a fixture. They've been riding around for the past, I'm gonna say like 3 weeks. And as you can hear, there's lots of support. It's crazy. Boy, holy cow. Check this out. If that's not a Trump train, I don't know what is. They're still rooting for him. Here is the very beginning where all the construction started on Bruce Street. As you can see, it's changed quite a bit. And I guess I could come out here while there's no traffic coming in my direction. I just want to get a nice shot of the downtown Sevierville. Alright guys, looks like my camera's fighting to get some focus there, blowing out the highlights there. Apologize for that. That oolong tea is good. Well, I think that's been a pretty nice little walk around of downtown. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog and would like to see a little more of this. Please put a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. I love to hear feedback. Like I said, I'm kind of new to this. I'm really shy in front of the camera, trying my best. And I hope it's come across to where it was enjoyable, where you guys like it. I'd like to see some more of it. So let me know. And I'll see you next time. And of course, I'm going to sprinkle some nice drone footage in here for you. So actually, I'm probably saying this, you'll already see it, but in the video, because I am going to get some nice panoramic shots of the courthouse. But hope you like it, and just let me know. There's a beautiful courthouse behind me. This was downtown Sevierville, Tennessee. My very first vlog. I thought, what better city or venue to do it would be. Why don't we go check out downtown Sevierville? So give me a like, thumbs up if you liked it, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. It really helps me out to trying to get to those 1,000 subscribers also. And this is a passion of mine. This is what I like to do. So show me some love, and I'll see you next time. And from Sevierville, Tennessee, we'll see you next time.